Today I wanted to share with you 5 reasons why student accommodation fail. It is quite a hectic thing when you get into student accommodation for the first time, and you can make these 5 mistakes quite easily. However, if you're aware of it up front, it's actually also quite easy to avoid them and give your student accommodation the best chance for success. Hi, my name is Rita van Rooyen and I'm the CEO of My Student House. We have managed thousands of students all over the country, and we help landlords, especially new ones going into student accommodation, to find the right property, and also to help our existing landlords to scale and get more and bigger and better properties and grow their student portfolio. All right, so the 5 reasons. I've worked with so many landlords all over the country that come to us and say,